Hey, do you play The Sims FreePlay? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download a fully working modded version of The Sims FreePlay onto your phone, guys, that is actually updated with crazy looking money. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's get right into the video. You might not be able to see it too clearly, but I'm going to turn the camera around and show you guys exactly how to download this onto your device. It's super cool, guys, and it fully works. So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Guys, so as you can see in The Sims FreePlay, I have over 100 million money, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this onto your device. So the first thing we're going to do, guys, is go over to the Zoo Mods. And this is a website, guys, that has like all the mods for apps and games and stuff like that. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So I'm just going to type in Zoo Mods. So anyways, guys, once you're on this site, what you want to do is just go to the search bar and type in Sims FreePlay, and as you can see, guys, it says Sims FreePlay mod. So just go ahead and press on that, wait for it to download. If you got like a decent internet, guys, it shouldn't take that long, but be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. I'll see you guys in another video. But if you go to the search bar, guys, and type in the Sims FreePlay, you guys can see how expensive it is. So let me just do that right here for you guys. So as you can see, when we go to the in-app purchases, what the hell, bro? Oh, no. So yeah, if you want to get everything for free, guys, you need to go onto this website right here, which is the Zoo Mods website. It has a ton of like hacks and stuff like that. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is super cool and it actually works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. It's super awesome. And I mean, I've looked into a couple different like tutorials because I couldn't find a working one, and they pretty much all led back to Zoo Mods as the website where you can actually get rich. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. I'll see you in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super insane, guys, and it fully works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and try it out, because there's too many people out there that are spending money in this game when they don't have to, or they don't want to, but they think that that's the only way to get money in the game or to grind it, which is not necessary. So be sure to go ahead and try this out, guys. It's super insane. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. But yeah, so cool, guys, fully working. So I'll see you guys later. But yeah, have fun. Peace out.